Hello everyone! Today I want to share a simple daily routine to help you learn English. This routine is easy to follow, and if you do it every day, you will see big improvements in your English skills. You don't need to spend a lot of money or time, just a little effort every day. Let's start and talk about how you can practice English from morning to night. When you wake up in the morning, the first thing you can do is think in English. Yes, before you even get out of bed, say good morning to yourself. Think about your plans for the day in English. For example, you can say, "Today I will go to school," or "Today I will meet my friends." Even simple sentences like this will help your brain start using English first thing in the morning. Now, when you are brushing your teeth or getting ready, you can talk to yourself in English. It may feel a little funny at first, but it really works. You can say things like, "I am brushing my teeth," or "I am wearing a blue shirt today." Describe what you are doing. This is great practice because you are using everyday words that are important for daily life. Breakfast, try to name the food you are eating in English. For example, if you are having bread and butter, say, "I am eating bread and butter." If you are drinking tea, say, "I am drinking tea." You can even make sentences like, "This bread is soft and tasty," or "I like hot tea in the morning." Talking about food is an easy way to build vocabulary. If you have time in the morning, you can listen to something in English. Maybe a short English song or a podcast. There are many free podcasts for English learners. You don't have to understand everything. Just listen and try to catch a few words. This will help your ears get used to the sounds of English. When you leave the house, you can look around and name the things you see in English. For example, you can say, "I see a car," or "There is a tree." Try to make short sentences like, "The sky is blue," or "The bus is coming." This is a great way to practice describing your surroundings. If you are on the bus or train, you can use this time to practice English. You can carry a small notebook with you and write down new words. Or you can use an app on your phone to learn English. There are many apps that help you practice vocabulary, grammar, and even speaking. Just 5 to 10 minutes of practice on your phone can make a big difference. When you are at work or school, try to use English whenever you can. If you are talking to friends who also want to learn English, try speaking in English for a few minutes. You can ask simple questions like, "What did you do yesterday?" or "What is your favorite movie?" Don't worry about making mistakes. The important thing is to try. During lunch or tea breaks, you can read something in English. It doesn't have to be a long book or a difficult article. You can read a short story, a comic, or even a children's book. If you like sports, read about sports in English. If you like movies, read about movies in English. Choose something you enjoy so it doesn't feel like hard work. After work or school, when you come home, you can practice listening and speaking. Watch a short video in English. Could be a TV show, a YouTube video, or even a cartoon. Cartoons are great because they use simple language and are fun to watch. Try to repeat some of the sentences you hear. For example, if the character says, "Let's go," you can say, "Let's go." Repeat after them to improve your pronunciation. When you are relaxing in the evening, you can practice writing. Take your notebook and write about your day in English. Doesn't have to be long. Just a few sentences like, "Today I went to the park. I saw many flowers. I ate ice cream. It was a good day." Writing helps you remember new words and practice grammar. If you have a family member or friend who speaks English, you can practice with them. Play a game in English or try to have a short conversation. You can even teach them some English words you learned. Teaching others is a great way to learn more. Before you go to bed, spend a few minutes reviewing what you learned during the day. You can look at your notebook and read the new words. Try to make sentences with these words. For example, if you learn the word beautiful, you can say, "The sunset is beautiful," or "This dress is beautiful." Reviewing helps you remember better. You can also do a quick activity before sleeping. For example, close your eyes and think of 5 things you saw today. Name them in English. If you saw a car, a dog, a tree, a bike, and a shop, just say these words in English. It's a simple way to end your day with English. And don't forget to reward yourself for practicing every day. Learning a language takes time, and you are doing a great job. Celebrate your small wins. If you learn 10 new words this week, give yourself a treat. Maybe eat your favorite snack or watch your favorite movie. Staying positive will keep you motivated. The most important thing is to enjoy the process. Learning English can be fun if you make it a part of your daily life. You don't have to do everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 activities and add more as you feel comfortable. Remember, small steps every day will lead to big results. So, this is a simple daily routine you can follow to learn English. Practice in the morning, during the day, and before bed. Use every opportunity to think, speak, listen, read, and write in English. With time, you will see how much you improve. Keep going and don't give up.